Oh, this is really annoying. Come on. I just need a little bit bigger. Okay. So, something I've been working on, and it works pretty well. I'm using cursor to help me with some of this stuff. But basically what I'm trying to do is get the messages out of a live chat and live stream chat and have that embedded in the stream. So we have OBS configured, so you can see my screen, you can see me, and when it finishes fixing this stuff, let me do that. Alright, so I'm not using my stream right now. This is the Lo-Fi Girl stream because it's pretty busy. But I'm not using Lo-Fi Girl music. I'm using Chill Hop, which is license free, so I can stream it. There's some proper fighting going on right now. But anyway, so let's see. I don't know why. Oh, there we go. Okay, so it says it's connected. Sweet. So all I need to do now is so I have the current live chat, right? So you might want that actually over the game. Why is it not black? Why is it not transparent? It's not working. Oh my god. It's like proper fighting going on in this chat. Our YouTubes are basically unmoderated, I think. Wow. I have to tell them to cut it out in a minute. I need to get rid of that connected thing from the top. I need to get it transparent. So you wouldn't believe how much effort this was to get this working. Great. Oh. Still not. Okay, we can put it under the chat, but that's not what we want. Needs to go over. Needs to go over. I feel like I gotta do something else. That's what I guess that was. Maybe? I don't know. You're very hopeful. No. I mean, maybe I'll do this. I feel like we're still rendering I mean it's gonna be impossible to find the color. It's gonna be like that. I mean, that kind of works. Oh god. I mean, yeah. But no. See what ChatGPT says. Try and get this to work. This is silly. Chroma key's no good. I think it's. I think I need to put. Okay. Maybe? No, it's not working. I mean, I can change the color of the text boxes. That's great. But that's not what I want. So I need to. Do this. I really need to make that. What is that window called? I need to. DevTools. I always want DevTools to float. Always. Class, right? Sure it was. I'm just gonna say that. Nope. Title. Alright. Now. Yay, floats. Sweet. Doesn't remember its width, but that's fine. Alright, let's look at the. Look at this. Body. Background transparent. Oh, it's probably that, isn't it? It's probably that BG Grey 900. Where's that coming from? App.spell. Alright. I don't know. Maybe that works. Let's see. Seems to refresh it when I... Ah, it works. Send me a message. There we go. Love it. So yeah, this is something I've been working on because I didn't like any of the options, and I'm a software engineer, right? So that's what I do. But I don't know if anybody's ever going to watch this video. That's fine. I don't care. Talking to myself, very proud. Anyway, so I don't have the Twitch stuff enabled yet. Merging the chat. I don't know how people feel about that. Oh, I really need a fade out, don't I? Gets a little much. Probably needs to be like that big. It needs to fade out. Yeah, so this is all dynamic. If I turn off this, it saves the config. It stops working, so this will stop updating. If I turn it back on, it starts updating again. I can turn it off globally. I can send random text messages, which is great. Alright, let's see if the fading is working now. So, yeah, there's like some tools for doing this. There's Stream Ninja, there's a couple of other like online services that you got to pay for, or at least set up. And I don't want to like give them access to my YouTube account and stuff like that. This doesn't need a YouTube account. I did actually set up OAuth and do all the authentication stuff, and it worked. But then it was I was running out of API requests, so this means it doesn't do that. I just give it the idea of the video. So for example, the current stream is this value. The fade out's not working at all, by the way. Alright. So if I send a text message, very good. And then let's do this. There we go, and we got that message from me on the stream live. Cool, huh? Oh, it does actually fade them out. Oh, that's okay. the thing I love about AI is that it's enabled people like me who are not very good at CSS, and like I understand all the concepts, I'm just not very good at it. It just takes me a lot of time to get the desired effect. So it enables people like me to do this kind of thing that I couldn't do before. I can write, back-end server code till the cows come home, but you get me to do front-end stuff and just like, my brain just explodes. I'm just not smart. Just not smart. So let's see. Let's restart the overlay. And send a message. Mod me, please. Yes, see, it gets rid of them after time. I like it. Very good. Yeah, so when I get this kind of roughly working, I'm gonna open source it. If you are interested, you can just grab it. I'm gonna build it into a binary that you can download and just run, and I'll put instructions, but it's very simple. You start the program, it just runs, and then you go to like localhost on whatever port you configured it for. So by default it's 8080, but probably I'll move that. And then you set your Twitch and your YouTube name. I really want that to be a color picker. And yeah, and then you just create an OBS browser source pointing to that, and it will connect to YouTube, it'll connect to Twitch, and create the chat overlay. Now, there's a lot of other things I'd like to do, so this is just a framework at the moment for me to experiment with, but I do want to add all the other things, alerts and stuff like that people like to do. A lot of the reason I wanted to do this is because I think it's kind of silly that something so simple be paid services, and like this can be very configurable. Like the styling of the chat bubble is hard coded at the moment, but it doesn't need to be. It could be themed very easily. And you could even have like theme packs, and you just copy and paste the JSON which describes the theme. You could use, I'm using Tailwind CSS, so it's easy to theme things as well. So yeah, I don't know. I just felt like I wanted to do this. Let me get back to Satisfactory though. Unsolicited response. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna get rid of that. Alright, well my chat overlay works. That's great. Part of the reason I wanted it to work was because I kept missing messages from people. So there you have it. I will upload something when it's ready, if anybody sees this.